Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I decided since we're gonna keep going with the cookie goodie theme, since the gumdrop cookies were kind of a hit last week, I decided to make something different today. It's a good treat and it might have a little something extra in it. Gonna release the Kraken today. What we are making today are chocolate coconut rum balls. Yeah. So these aren't for the kids, sorry, but so you know what? I've personally never made rum balls before. We're gonna give it a shot here, right? But you know what? You know, I'm in a long sleeve shirt, sweater thing. This isn't Christmassy enough. No. I'm gonna go change. I think I'm gonna change right now. The magic of editing. Dave and I actually got these sweaters. Carl was having a sale a couple weeks ago. I think they're still having a sale. They had these sweaters last year, but we didn't get them, so we got them this year. Not bad for $24.99. Gotta rep, you know. Alright guys, since I'm all dressed up and ready to go, let's make those rum balls. Okay, let's go through the lineup. First of all, you got vanilla wafers. I used to love these as a kid and haven't had them forever. Of course, I got a container of myself. Oh my god, it's so good. But we need 11 ounces of vanilla wafers. We need 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of just ground up cocoa, which I just use the Hershey's cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of rum. Now, I want to put a disclaimer here. The original recipe said if you can find dark coconut rum, which in our area that's near to impossible. So, doing the Kraken rum, but adding a little coconut flavor to it. We're going to try that. Then we have a cup of flaked coconut, and you will need 3 tablespoons of light corn syrup. And there's a nutribullet. We're wondering, why is there a nutribullet here? Well, we are going to put the coconut in the nutribullet to make them a little bit more fine, and we're going to do the same thing with the wafers to make them nice, really crumbled up for the balls. All right, guys. Since you know what ingredients to get and what the measurements are, let's get cracking on this. See what I did there? Let's go make some rum balls.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter.
All right. After that torturous event, note to self: nutribullet's good for the coconut, not so much for the wafers. So yeah, that took a little bit more time than I wanted and effort, but it's all done. All right. So now we're mixing in the powdered sugar and the cocoa.
That's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in
All right, so we're adding the corn syrup. make it nice and sticky. And now for the fun part. Yeah.
All night long we're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this
Alright. Now, obviously the shaved coconuts for us rolled the balls in. Well, let's make it a little festive, shall we? Little Christmas sprinkles.
wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Alright, so
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit.
grab a spoon, grab a little bit here, make a ball of sorts, and just roll it around.
Just get better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue.
And you got your ball.
That's what we do.
And you're gonna keep doing this until you're all done. Actually, I'm gonna make these balls kind of big.
Good time.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
But anyway, sorry, I had to put that joke out there. Probably make them a little bit smaller. So you're gonna keep doing this, and then keep them in an airtight container. They say obviously don't serve them immediately. Wait a while. They're saying the peak time to really eat them is 2 to 3 days after you made them. But not impatient enough to do that. Let's have some now. You're probably wondering how. Well, I have one that's 24 hours old, so. Okay, I cheated a little bit. I did make some yesterday just to see how the recipe would go for today. You gotta make sure before you do anything for the first time, right? Or second time at this rate, but let's have a taste test, shall we? A little messy. That'll do. That will do. But, like I said, they're a little messy with the coconut and the decorations on them. But guys, if you ever made rum balls or this recipe or plan to make it, leave me a comment below. It's fun doing another cooking. Well, not really cooking or baking. It's food related. It's Christmas kind of related. Yeah, we have fun today, right? On another Sunday afternoon. This time it's not snowing. It's actually a little bit warmer, considering. I'm wearing shorts. Now, it's 46 degrees out. Some people might say that's still cold, but it's pretty warm in December for here, so. But thanks for hanging out with us, guys, and we will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.